You build a brilliant, technically flawless sauce product, only to get absolute blank stares when you try explaining it to customers. The problem is a total mismatch in perspective. Founders categorize their work through technical logic, but customers evaluate tools based on personal value. The standard industry advice to fix this is pretty simple. Stop listing your features and start listing your benefits. But because every tool promises the same outcomes, saving time, increasing revenue, or reducing churn, those benefits have become completely generic. When everyone claims similar results, perfectly good products vanish into market noise. Your messaging blends back in, regardless of the software's quality. To survive this noise, you don't have to engineer a different product. You just have to build a different frame to present it, using practical, user-centered storytelling. In B2B SaaS, practical storytelling has nothing to do with dramatic brand origin stories. It simply means framing your product's benefit inside a highly relatable, everyday situation. Let's look at a standard bullet point. Automated reporting saves you time. To fix this, we ask 3 reconstructive questions. Who is the user? What is their current frustration? And what does their day look like after using the product? Applying those questions, we rebuild the claim into a lived scenario. Instead of spending Monday mornings exporting spreadsheets, your report is in your inbox before your first coffee. The original claim was abstract and easily forgotten. The new version is concrete, placing the user in an environment they immediately recognize. This reframing anchors abstract software capabilities to a tangible human experience, making your value instantly clear and much easier to remember. You don't need dozens of narrative templates to pull this off. This reconstructive logic scales across just 3 repeatable frameworks tailored for B2B SaaS. The first is the before and after story. It contrasts a stressful, manual current state with a streamlined, automated future state. A basic project management feature turns into a scenario about ending the 6 p.m. status update chase, showing exact project blocks in one click. The second is the day in the life story. This zooms into a micro moment, contrasting the chaotic action of digging through endless Slack threads with the unified action of opening a single organized dashboard. The third is the crisis-avoided story. It focuses on risk prevention, highlighting a costly near miss your product actively neutralizes. A dry AI sentiment analysis feature becomes a story about catching customer frustration early, right before they hit the cancel button. None of these frameworks alter your underlying product code. They act as translation lenses, mapping your specific technical features into the everyday dialect of your user's reality. This translation logic should extend far beyond your website's homepage. It needs to be layered throughout your entire marketing funnel. At the funnel's top, blog posts use stories to build empathy. In the middle, landing pages deploy before and after contrasts to prove immediate value. At the bottom, onboarding emails reinforce that after state, maintaining motivation and reducing drop-off. There is a critical guardrail to keep in mind, though. Your product is merely the tool. The user must always remain the main character and the hero of the scenario. Avoid exaggerated drama. The narrative stakes must remain entirely realistic, aligning with the actual frustrations of their daily job. Features explain what a product does, and benefits explain why it matters. Practical stories show what it feels like to use it. This approach turns abstract clarity into human connection. Try testing this on your own website today. Take one benefit and wrap it in a real scenario.